Hello, welcome to my video. This month, Microsoft has released a new update to the Teams screen sharing experience. We all must have done the screen sharing experience with your colleagues or your friends or even your students and staffs. So we all must have done during a team call. So you all must be aware of how to share a screen. So Microsoft has released an update around how you share the screen when you specifically share a PowerPoint presentation. So the new update is called Presenter View when you specifically choose a PowerPoint presentation. Let's see how it is done. So let's join this meeting. It's a test meeting. I'm going to join. Okay, I have joined. Let's start or open the share tray. Click here. And the moment you open, you can get to choose a file. So I'm going to browse from my OneDrive and choose a PowerPoint presentation. It's just a test file. I am starting to share my screen, only that file. So the moment you choose, as you can see, the moment you choose a PowerPoint, it opens a new a window called a presenter view. So this is called a presenter view. This is very private, only given to the presenter alone and not to the end users. So the audience cannot see all the screens. So this is the part that the audience will see. Okay, as you can see, it also already displaying all the slides that is in your PowerPoint presentation slides automatically, so you can navigate between your slides. All this the user cannot able to see. You can able to see the notes as well. So as a presenter, I can see the current slide, which is this, and all the slides in the deck, which is can be seen in the footer, and also any notes specific for this slide. So this is a very private view, only for my as a presenter, only I can see. The audience can get to see only this part. If another presenter clicks on take control, the second presenter will have this presenter view transferred to them, and the previous presenter will get to have an audience normal view, and they will lose the access to the slide decks, and they will also lose access to the new notes. So the current presenter will have the presenter view and not the previous presenter. Please note that this new presenter view works only in the window that opens separately. So you make sure you tick the new meetings experience in your team settings. So yeah, this is a new update from Microsoft for the March 2021 update. So please make use of it and update your training materials. If you find this video useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.